Hello students, my name is Ramveer from Mappers Academy. Today I am discussing here class 11th history theme 6, the three orders. First of all we will discuss what were the three orders and from where it related. So first of all we will discuss about the first order, that is clergy, second order nobility, third order peasants. Before these order, it was a very bad system prevailing in Europe, that feudalism. Feudal system, it was a system where all the lords means the nobility rulers, all these were known as lords, have started a new system of cultivation in European countries, that people wanted to do more and more work for more production, that they managed and bonded the labor. Labor means peasants. Peasants were doing the work under the supervision of the lords. It was a very bad system in which there were no freedom to the peasants in feudal system. But after some time it was decayed. Then clergy. Clergy were a religious head from the 7th century from till the 15th century. It was the age of the dark age in European countries, that Roman Catholic Church were prevailing all the world, and Roman Catholics were stereotypes in different times. In this era, the clergy became a very powerful person who hold the power on the another person, for example peasants, villagers, and they maintain the church. They give order, they have a vast land states for control on the person. But after some times, they wanted more and more lands, more tax in France and England. Monks were also the part of the clergy. Then nobility. Nobility were lords. It was a system of vassalage system, in which system, vassalage system was started by the France and French people, and this system involved three persons. Rulers were under the rulers control to the nobility, and nobility control to the peasants. Peasants were doing work for free. Of course, they have no freedom in the France and England. It was a system in which nobility have lords and they have the order to do anything for the lords. Then peasants. Peasants have no freedom. They have the rented land, but beggars also prevailed in European countries. They have small tenants, but after some times its system became changed and social boycott started by the peasants. And in the world, in European countries especially, peasants were suffered most. After some time they became workers and they became another service, for example, or knights in military and many more. That's knights. Who were knights? In European countries, knights were a person who started a new type of job and with a contract with the nobility or with the lords, and give the permission to fought another person for enemies and support the rulers. Nobility provide them security as a land, मतलब उनको ऐसी जमीन दी जाती थी जिससे कि जो नाइट्स हैं वो अपना भरण पोषण कर सके और उसके बदले में वो सेना में लड़ने लगे थे. तो ये नाइट्स जो है एक नया, इसमें एक नया पॉपुलेशन में देखा जाता है, एक नया पार्ट इनमें शामिल होना शुरू हो गया था. एंड इन मॉडर्न यूरोप इट वाज बिकेम अ वेरी एसेंशियल पार्ट टू फॉर द. Next, monks. Who were monks? Monks actually related to the clergy. Monks have the monasteries. Monasteries मठ टाइप में होती है, जहाँ पर बौद्ध, जैसे भारत में बौद्ध धर्म के लोग मठ को उन्होंने बनाया. से monasteries became very useful in European countries. At that times, monks have no married person, and monks are two types, women and men also. Men were called monks and women were called nuns. Or they have some criteria to do something in the European countries, that they became cleared the monks. Next, new towns. It was known as the fourth order. New towns and town people. New towns and townspeople. It means after some times in European countries there were many towns have been set up एंड इन दीज कंट्रीज न्यू पर्सन बिलोंग टू दिस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो अपना काम करने लगे, कुछ वर्कर्स बन गए, कुछ बिजनेस क्लास बन गई, they wanted more and more service, for example hospitals, schools and another. So its was system are now called the new towns and new towns people in church. जो बड़े चर्च होते थे कैथेड्रल जिनको कहा जाता था, कैथेड्रल टाउन्स, कैथेड्रल के आसपास भी बहुत सारे टाउन्स बनने शुरू हो गए थे. कैथेड्रल बड़े जो चर्च थे इन इंग्लैंड एंड इन फ्रांस, दीज वर नोन एज कैथेड्रल टाउन्स. नेक्स्ट, न्यू एग्रीकल्चर टेक्नोलॉजी. After some times in European countries, the technological changes have occurred. Wooden plough were removed and a new metal plough were used in the fields and to do more production. New system of irrigation developed in some parts and many more production. Population have been increased in the European countries. So they wanted more and more production. For this purpose, they cleared the forest and started the expansion of the agriculture from this area. It was the new system. Then crisis in Europe. It was the last topic if we discuss about the crisis. What type of crisis were done in the European countries. European countries की population बढ़ रही थी and in 14th century, 13th-14th century and at that time जो code थी वो लंबे समय तक रही, then they were not doing their work properly in farming at that time. Population were increased. After sometimes the trade were prevailed in among many countries. So new black death has started in by the plague. प्लेग एक ऐसी बीमारी फैल गई इसको ब्लैक डेथ के नाम से जाना जाता था यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में. तो उस समय जो है सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये आई थी एंड क्राइसिस स्टार्ट होना शुरू हो गया था. फसलों के दाम गिर चुके थे एंड देयर वर नो सेलर एंड नो बायर टू बाय द क्रॉप्स एंड पीपल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ द डिमांड, लॉट ऑफ द, देखा जाए तो उनके पास इतनी चॉइस होती थी कि वो विभिन्न तरह की वस्तुओं को खरीद सकते थे. Another important things that the crisis in Europe, that was the system, all the old system were suddenly became decayed. Peasants have collected and they became against to the lords, or after some time they wanted a more and more freedom. So सभी ये इस तरह के चेंजेस आने शुरू हो गए थे. एंड इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस, हमने जो पढ़ा है अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो वो सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है, दैट इज द 3 orders which are relation between the nobility, clergy and the peasants and the rulers. All were subject of the monarchy. Absolute monarchy was started in the many countries, for example Portugal, Spain, England and France. Louis XI became a monarch who have the modern army, bureaucrats and other things. Okay students, thanks.